In this video, I'll show you how to turn any image into a video using Grok AI. First, open Google and search for Grok, then click on the official website. Once you're on the site, log in to your account. If you don't have one, simply create a new account and sign up. After logging in, go to the Imagine section. Now write a prompt. This is where you describe what kind of video you want. The better your prompt, the better your result. Next, upload your image. Make sure it's clear and high quality. Before generating, select your video resolution, like 480p or 720p depending on your need. Higher resolution gives better quality. After that, click on Create Video. The AI will process your image and turn it into a dynamic video. Wait a few seconds and your video is ready. You can now download it and use it for social media, content creation, or anything you like. And that's it. Simple and powerful. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.